Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys my French apartment. This was my home for roughly 5 months. I stayed here from the 1st of September 2021 to 31st January 2022. This particular apartment is called a studio apartment because it has a room, kitchenette and a bedroom. So what are we waiting for? Let's go in. There is no electricity in the room, so I'd have to slot the card in to turn it on. The card is very important. You would have to always take it with you when you're stepping out, even if you want to rush to do amebo. You have to carry it, else you won't be able to access the room. But in case you misplace it, you would pay for another one at the reception. I have a mirror by the door. This mirror reminds me to take my nose mask along with me whenever I am stepping out. A colleague of mine gifted me this shopping cart. So this is the wardrobe. It's quite small, but it's very okay. This is my laundry bag. We pay for laundry here, so the limit on the washing machine is 8 kilograms. So I wait till it's close enough before I wash them. Please don't judge me. I'm trying to economize. By my right is the bedroom and toilet. It's really spacious, almost like 1/4 of the room. The WC is over there. Let me step back so you fully see like the size of the bedroom. They made a provision for a shower curtain that I could hang over there, but I decided not to put it because I like to bath like a fish. This is the living room and this is my bed space. That's a movable bedside table. You can decide to just do a quick review or study your Bible on it before going to sleep. I pasted my timetable here, although it changes from time to time, but we move. I also included some sticky notes containing a short, simple prayer. You can actually change the position of the table. At times, I reposition it beside my bed just like this. This is the kitchenette. I have a sink and two electric burners. It's really fast. There's a shelf above and a microwave and a fridge. All the rooms in this block have this kind of fridge, but like in some other blocks, they have smaller fridge. The fridge is really big for one person. I put some cookies and small chops here in this compartment, and then I put fruits over there. Fruits and vegetables are really cheap here. Can you spot my African food stuff? This corn flour, that's semovita, dry fish, ogbono, dry okra. I got them from Nigeria and I also got some here. Locust bean, that's iro. Egusi is also here. Crayfish, ugu, and brown beans. I put them here because of weevil and of course the space is very big. I usually regulate the temperature too. This is the study table. Our program gave us this customized water bottle. It encourages us to drink water all the time since the environment is cold and we may not feel thirsty. Another good thing is that it helps us when we feel sleepy during lectures. We just keep drinking water. May I for clear. The school also gave us a flash drive. Can you spot the Nigerian flag here? I'm a proud citizen of my country. Oh. Look at another one here. The flag motivates me and encourages me to do better. O God of creation, direct our noble course. Guide thou will lead us right. I have some scriptural sticky notes here as well. It's a good practice to have daily affirmations to incline your thoughts to positivity. I just put these sticky notes in strategic places to do away with any form of negativity. Mental health here is very important. I also highlighted some to-dos here. I have some deadlines around the corner. Oh, child. Let me come and be going. There are always assignments to do and reports to write. You gotta help someone. Oh. I don't think this is meant for shoes, oh, but I put them here anyways. I can't come and kill myself. At least I can easily access them here. I have an extension box I use to charge my devices in case I need to use this bedside table. There is also an EU adapter here because the power outlets in this place is quite different from the conventional Nigerian one. I bought it in Abuja and I can conveniently charge my devices that are trim mounted with it. There is also a space underneath my bed. I just put my boxes there. Since I don't take things there often, I locked it with this shelf. I'll be able to open it if I just move the small shelf away. I also have a space here too for my church shoes, but though I can't wear them anywhere for now. This is the view from this angle. The room is about 18 meters square. That's the floor area. This is the view from this other side. The room goes for €409 monthly. There is a light here too. Too much light. At least we are the light of the world. This is the view from the window. I'm on the first floor. Sometimes I wind the shutters down when the sun is shining. I also wind it down at times to like when I want to concentrate. This other block is mostly occupied by PhD students, most of them that have like their families with them. So the apartment is bigger than this one, most likely a self-contained. Oftentimes, I open the window to expel carbon even though it's cold. The people above me have nicer views. I guess this is the roof of the place where we dump refuse. The pipes there take away the stench from the room. This is the heater. Although it's not so hot, they have a central control. So sometimes they turn it on, sometimes they turn it off. But I can also control it remotely. Welcome once again to my French apartment. I hope you had a nice time. Don't worry, next time I will serve you breakfast. Bye for now. I love you all.